Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to add decimal numbers. So first problem is 3.47 plus 2.85. Let us write them vertically. 3.47 plus 2.85. While adding decimals, we need to take care that decimal point must be aligned. It must be under each other. Now add them like the usual numbers. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So 2 and 1 is carry on, that we will write over the 4. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 8 is 13. So 3. Now 1 is carry over, that we will write on the 3, and there is a decimal point. So we will put a decimal point here. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So our answer is 6.32. Now let us add 5.6 and 7.34. So let us write them vertically. 5.6 plus 7.34. Decimal points must be aligned. Now over the 4 we don't have any number. So we will write 0 as a placeholder. Now 0 plus 4 is 4. 6 plus 3 is 9, then there is a decimal point, and 5 plus 7 is 12. So our answer is 12.94. Now let us add 12.09 and 8.7. Let us write them vertically. 12.09 plus 8.7. Decimal points must be aligned. Now there is no number below the 9, so we will write 0 as a placeholder, as well as there is no number below the 1, so there also we will write 0 as a placeholder. Now let us add them as usual. 9 plus 0 is 9, 0 plus 7 is 7, then there is a decimal point. 8 plus 2 is 10, so 0, 1 we will carry on, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 20.79. Now let us add 0.75 and 9.008. So let us write them vertically. 0.75 and 9.008. Decimal points are aligned under each other. So now there is no number above 8, so we will write 0 as a placeholder. 0 plus 8 is 8, 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 0 is 7. Now there is a decimal point, and 0 plus 9 is 9. So our answer is 9.758. Hope this video will help you how to add the decimal numbers.